Hello, dear and appreciated followers. Hoping you are enjoying your day. I'm Victor Faisca, and I'm excited to guide you through this beginner-friendly yoga practice for balance and stability. A practice designed to strengthen your core and enhance your coordination. Make sure you have your mat ready and water. With no more time to waste, let's warm up.
Let's start by warming up our bodies. Begin by standing tall in mountain pose, with your feet hip-width apart and your hands at your sides. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently roll your shoulders back and down. Now, extend your arms out to the side and make small circles with your hands. Gradually, increase the size of the circles. This helps to loosen up your shoulders and prepare your body for balance work. Next, place your hands on your hips and make gentle circles with your hips. Move in one direction for a few breaths, and then switch to the other direction. This movement helps to warm up your core and improve mobility in your hips. Let's move into tree pose. Stand on your left leg and place the sole of your right foot on your inner left thigh or calf, avoiding the knee. Bring your hands to your heart center. Find a focal point to help maintain your balance. Hold for a few breaths and then switch sides. Stand on your right leg and place the sole of your left foot on your inner left thigh or calf. As I mentioned before, avoid putting pressure on your knee. Bring your hands to your heart center. Find a focal point to help maintain your balance. This pose strengthens your core and improves balance. Next, step your right foot back into a high lunge position. Shift your weight onto your left foot and lift your right leg behind you, bringing your body parallel to the mat. Extend your arms forward or keep them at your heart center. Congratulations, you are now doing Warrior 3. Hold for a few breaths. Then lower your right leg and step it forward to return to a standing position. Now, switch sides. Step your left foot back into a high lunge position. Shift your weight onto your right foot and lift your left leg behind you, bringing your body parallel to the mat. Extend your arms forward or keep them at your heart center. Hold again Warrior 3 for a few breaths. This pose engages your core and enhances stability on both sides. Lower your left leg and step it forward to return to a standing position. Now sit down on your mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the mat, balancing on your sit bones. Extend your arms forward and hold for a few breaths. If you want to extend your legs and you feel comfortable about it, feel free to explore your strength. This pose strengthens your core and enhances stability. Turn around and come into plank position. Shift your weight onto your right hand and the outer edge of your right foot. Stack your left foot on top of your right and extend your left arm towards the sky. Hold for a few breaths and then switch sides. This pose strengthens your core, especially your obliques, and improves balance. Come back into your plank position. Shift your weight onto your left hand and the other edge of your left foot. Stack your right foot on top of your left and extend your right arm towards the sky. Hold for a few breaths again. For our cool down, let's move into seated forward bend. Sit down with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale and lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, hinge at your hips to fall forward. Reach for your feet or shins, wherever you can comfortably reach. This pose helps to relax your body and release tension. Lie down on your back and bring your knees into your chest. Extend your arms out to the sides and let your knees fall to the right. Hold for a few breaths and then switch sides. This gentle twist helps to relax your body and improve digestion. Now, bring your knees back into your chest. Keep your arms extended and out to the sides, and let your knees fall to the left, and hold again for a few breaths. Finally, let's come into Savasana, our relaxation pose. Stay lying down on your back with your legs extended, and now your arms at your sides. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to fully relax. Stay here for a few minutes, enjoying the calm and peace. Balance in all aspects of life is the best healing technique.
Thank you so much for joining me in this yoga practice for balance and stability. I hope you feel more grounded and your core feels stronger. Remember, consistency is key in yoga. So watch this video and try to incorporate these poses into your routine regularly. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my latest content. See you in the next session, and keep shining your light. Namaste.